Hello everyone, this is Lokesh Kumar. Our assignment is about Tripoli aircraft regarding to the human resource management. Our group members are Abhishek Homi and Raghavendra Yaganti. Now we are going to the introduction. Tripoli Aircraft is a multinational company. Its headquarters is located in Australia, subsidiaries in China, Singapore and Vietnam. And we are going to solve the issues regarding the training and development in detail and effects of the training and development, giving the high solutions and problematic in problems regarding to the T&D. Now we move to the internal strategy of the training and development. Strategy of the training and development mainly kinds of 3 steps of the knowledge. It is first one comes to the transfer of knowledge, and next one is the development of skills and understanding the concepts, and changes in the attitudes led to the good training and development in solving the problems in an organization or a company. Dynamic conditions of training and development. Conditions of training and development helps one to deeper in study in organization, program decision making, detailed procedures and solving. Following these 3 steps, one in helps to lead to good training and development skills for the identifying the other problem issues and help in the resolving of the problems, and led to the organization in a good position, such as the Tripoli aircraft in the case study shown in the lack of proper skills in the training, and the expatriates who are new to the work cannot solve the problems. So going to the deeper study in the organization leads to the good movement flow of work in a company. Education programs. Educational programs help in gaining the knowledge from the new innovations of the technology, and also bringing up the technology with the help of educational programs also led to the proper training and development with the new kind of innovations, mainly following through the step-by-step procedures with the educational programs. It helps to understand the each individual how to understand the concepts, how to know the language, how to communicate, how to resolve the problems. May all the kinds of the all the kinds of this problematic illustrations may helps to the educational programs.
Hi, this is Raghavendra. I'm going to talk about training and development. When I was talking about training, so basically, what is training? So, it is a planned process provided by organization to modify the attitude, knowledge, or skills through a learning experience to achieve an effective performance in range of activities. Purpose of training in any work situation is to develop the abilities of individual to meet the needs of organization. Several training programs include such as orientation, technical and soft skills training, etc. After completing training, we are moving to development. Development. It deals with the career, growth and performance of an employee in an organization. An individual can develop his abilities by combining own experience with a conceptual understanding. In every organization, the main focus of development is the succession planning, employee performance, and employee retention. Now we understand the overview of training and development. Training and development is the key aspect of human resource management and development. It includes opportunities for learning, improving knowledge, and job enrollment, etc. Every employee needs a training and development as they view it as a current opportunity for the future job enlargement. Several benefits include employee empowerment, increasing workplace enlargement, and to make employee know the strategies of the organization. Now we're going to talk about the problems in Tripoli aircraft. The major problem would be expatriate training. The lack of systematic training in the Tripoli has become a major drawback for the employees leaving to foreign countries. It would be language, culture, or workforce to whichever country they are leaving to. Secondly, the company has a great career development plan that could enhance the employees' work characteristics and management of the organization. But the implementation of the plan is not effective. That results in lack of professional development in employees. Now we have come up with the solutions for the Tripoli aircraft. So there are two solutions that we have come up with. The main first one would be as the employees are leaving to other countries where primary spoken language is different, that is, non English speaking countries. A basic language training should be initiated to employees before they start to work on particular country. The organization should also focus on their key management to control the employees who are leaving the organization and provide them a confidence for their career development in the same company. So these two should be the solutions for the Tripoli aircraft.
Hi, this is Abhishek and I'm gonna deal with objectives of training and development practices. So let us now think about the objectives of training and development practices. Any organizations have to go to the major objectives behind training and development program. They are being as follows: the principal objective, the individual objective, the organizational objective, the functional objective, and the social objective. Now, let's talk about each one of them a bit deeply. The first one is principal objective. The principal objectives of training is to make sure the availability of skilled and willing workforce to the organization because they form the vital part of any organization, and the output of any organization is determined by these workforce, as it was in our aircraft company Tripoli. In our company, they had the workforce being selected based on the skills and willingness to work and face the challenges. There would have been a different situation or a story being said about the success of particular organization, but that did not happen or our company. Now, let us switch over to the individual objectives. Individuals basically form the organizations and they have got their own individual career, individual aspirants, and they always crave for the success and achievements. These individual success and achievements do contribute to the development and the success of organizations as well. This was one major problem that the workforce in our company had to face because they had never had any motivations behind their personal achievements. What aspirants? It would have been a different story that the workforce in our company had been given with proper training by which the personal career achievements can be inspired. Now, coming to the organizational objective, it's more about individual effectiveness being led to the success of overall success of the organizations. As we said earlier, organization is formed by a group of individuals. The performance and the success always contribute to the organization objective. We know from our company we have different branches in different locations, right? We even had a complaint that there were no proper training kind of sections being going on, and there was no coordination that was happening between these goings, and it actually counts to the functional objective. Now, let's move on to the functional objectives. It consists of two concepts: the departmental collaboration and coordination of the departmental collaboration. Regarding departmental collaboration, it's important because different parts of the same objectives can be done by different wings located in different locations, right? And regarding the coordination between them, as it is vital, actually that leads to the success or failure of company of the organizations in all aspects. Now, Let's deal with the last concept, which is not the least, the social objective. The organization have got some ethical and social responsibility to the needs and challenges of the society. Any success that the organization claims for cannot happen at the cost of these kinds of practices which can do damage to the organization. And these are the 5 objects that a training and development can do for the success of any organization.
Hello, this is N. Lokesh Kumar. Now I'm going to clarify about recommendation and conclusions. In recommendation and conclusion, we get through the implementing new investigations as well as individual aspirations. We conclude that the company Tripoli Aircraft should take some more step in investigation on theories and their hypotheses using the value of the human capital mass, also bringing the individual aspiration among the employees regarding theoretical and research implications by building a comprehensive literature that addresses an appropriate and common problems that are raised in a Tripoli aircraft. Also, we must consider the moderator viable functioning in the organization. Development of the individuals in the company. Individuals in the company may lead to the 3 step of Tripoli aircraft, that is career development, education through the management, and time of allocating flight resources. Career development should strive for each and every individual employee in managing the uh, uh, one stage to the another stage of level of the education, and also the talented professionals and manager in multinational companies takes an evidence-based perspective at the time of allocating freight resources, and also find the expatriate program support in the study result system should create a better result for the expatriates in training. Now I'm going through the challenging for beginners. Everyone in organization should have specific aims to be get the task fulfilled, and also objective based on their careers and their professional aspirations. Gives the results such as that expatriation does matters, but only under the circumstances if they have the certain goals uh, on the definite policies. Veteran training and development enhances the better results for the company authorities in taking the right steps for challenging options for beginners.